is all for my friends who are requested me about the full face makeup. So let's break down today. This video is completely for beginners who wants to learn how to do the makeup step by step. Okay, one more thing, I did not cover the eye makeup in this video. For eye makeup, you have to watch the part 2. First thing first, start with the moisturizer. Next, I like to use directly the foundation and blending the foundation with the damp beauty blender like this. And use the bouncing motion to blend the foundation, and don't forget your upper eyelid. I like to cover upper eyelid with my foundation itself. Cover your neck. Whenever you apply foundation on your upper eyelid, can you see this foundation goes upper eyelid lines? Once you've done this, immediately grab the setting powder, cover your eyelid with the translucent powder. Now the foundation won't sit inside your upper eyelid. Now the face looks flat, so I like to use the bronzer to give the dimension to your face. So I'm using here the cream bronzer, and this is the hairline. From the hairline I'm contouring my nose as well, like this, a little bit on the lips, bottom lip and the upper lip a little, so you will get that pout effect. And under my jawline, blend your nose contour, blending my nose like this. I know this video went long, I'm so sorry about that, but I am trying. This will be helpful to you. Blend it upward, this contouring, and this you have to blend downward, so you will get that shadow effect. I think I need a little bit more, so I don't get too much white. I want some dimension, a little bit more. Always starts from your hairline, and if you are using the brush, you have to start from your hairline and pull down. This way you will create the triangle without getting the harsh lines. Let's blend downward your neck. I like to use the bouncing motion, that will be like giving the more seamless effect. Now it's time to use the blush, and this is the liquid blush I am using. Just add a tiny dot wherever you apply the contouring. Just go a little bit up and add 3 dots, not too much, and use the damp beauty blender and blend it upward. Can you see? You won't get too much product and your blush looks like you are literally blushing, not like somebody slap on your face. Now it's time to use the concealer. Use a little bit of the concealer, not like a triangle shape that looks so heavy. I like to use the dots from my inner corner and on this side, little bit on the nose, on the chin, on the forehead, your nose, same thing on my other side, like this. And let's sit your concealer for a few seconds. Meanwhile, I like to do my eyebrows. Okay, now I am back. My concealer is a little bit tacky. Now it's time to blend, so I am going to be using the concealer brush, and going to tap it around like this. I like the lifted look, so I like to go a little bit upward, like from the eyes around like this. For the nose, I'm not giving the harsh like this. I like to be like tapping it. If you can see, I'm always tapping, using my tapping motions, always blending this concealer on the cheeks, little bit, whatever is left over, I just like it on my upper lip like this way. If you still feels like your concealer is not blended nicely, then use the damp beauty blender on other side of your foundation and give a little bit of dab. Now can you see? Everything is like nicely blended. Now it's time to use the translucent powder. Use a little bit of powder. Look at this, how much I'm using. I'm just using a little bit. I'm focusing on my inner corners where I applied the concealer, both the sides, just to tap a little bit. And of course on the forehead, it will stay longer. It looks so good and seamless. Last, we need the highlighter. Apply highlighter on your cheekbones over here. You can apply like this, kind of like giving the C. Can you see? Apply your nose a little bit, upper lip a little bit. This, if you want, use your ring finger and apply. Of course, let's finish the makeup with the lipstick on. This is from the MAC. This is the Stay Curious, and this is not the regular lipstick. This is the Powder Kiss lipstick, which gives the powdery finish. I love this color. It's like a reddish pinkish color, and it's good for everyday color.